Tired of carb-heavy pasta weighing you down? Today in the SlimSync kitchen, we're making 5 low-carb, high-protein pastas, all in 10 minutes or less. These dishes are vibrant, fast, and designed to fuel your body while keeping you on track with your goals. No deprivation here, just smart, delicious upgrades to your weeknight meals. Grab your apron and get ready to discover pasta alternatives that are as satisfying as they are healthy. From zoodles to lentil pasta, I'll show you how to make every bite count. Let's get cooking! First up, we're diving into a dish that's as vibrant as it is delicious. Zucchini noodles with pesto chicken. This meal is a true knockout, fresh, fast, and absolutely packed with flavor. If you're looking for a healthy alternative to traditional pasta that doesn't skimp on taste, you're in the right place. Zucchini noodles or zoodles are a fantastic way to lighten up your favorite pasta dishes while still keeping things satisfying and hearty. Plus, this recipe comes together in just about 10 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights or when you want something nourishing without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's start with the chicken. Grab a boneless, skinless chicken breast and slice it thinly. This helps it cook quickly and evenly. Heat a splash of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then add your chicken slices. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the chicken hits the pan. Sear the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides, which should only take a few minutes. The key here is not to overcook it. You want the chicken to stay juicy and tender, not dry. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, and maybe a sprinkle of Italian herbs if you're feeling fancy. While the chicken cooks, let's talk zoodles. If you have a spiralizer, now's the time to use it. Just twist fresh zucchini through the blades and watch as it transforms into beautiful curly noodles. No spiralizer? No problem. Many grocery stores now carry pre-made zucchini noodles in the produce section, so you can skip a step and save time. Zoodles are not only low in carbs and calories, but they're also packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a smart swap for regular pasta. Once your chicken is cooked, set it aside for a moment and add your zucchini noodles to the same pan. You don't need to cook them for long. Just a quick toss over medium heat for about a minute or two is all it takes. The goal is to keep them tender crisp, so they hold their shape and don't get soggy. This quick sauté also helps them soak up any delicious flavors left in the pan from the chicken. Now, for the star of the show, pesto. Off the heat, add a generous spoonful of good quality pesto, homemade or store-bought, whichever you prefer. Stir it through the chicken and zoodles until everything is beautifully coated. The pesto brings a burst of fresh basil, nutty parmesan, and rich olive oil, tying all the flavors together in every bite. If you like a little extra zing, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice or add a pinch of red pepper flakes for some heat. Time to plate up. Arrange your pesto chicken zoodles in a shallow bowl or on a plate, then top with halved cherry tomatoes for a pop of color and sweetness. Sprinkle over some toasted pine nuts for crunch, and finish with a generous shower of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. If you want to take it up a notch, add a few fresh basil leaves or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil right before serving. The result? A dish that's light yet filling, energizing without weighing you down. You get all the satisfaction of a classic pasta meal, but with a fraction of the carbs and calories. The combination of juicy chicken, crisp tender zoodles, and vibrant pesto is pure comfort food, without the carb crash. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the week ahead. Best of all, this entire meal comes together in just 10 minutes from start to finish. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just a handful of fresh ingredients and a few simple steps, you can whip up a restaurant-worthy dish right at home. And trust me, you won't miss regular pasta for a second. So, are you ready to keep the healthy cooking momentum going? Grab your next set of ingredients because we're just getting started. Let's move on to the next recipe and keep the deliciousness rolling. Up next, we're diving into a vibrant, nourishing dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Chickpea pasta with spinach and feta. This is not your average pasta bowl. It's a Mediterranean-inspired powerhouse, packed with plant-based protein, fresh veggies, and bold flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to the sun-drenched coasts of Greece and Italy. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a meal prep staple, this bowl is about to become your new go-to. Start by bringing a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Then add your chickpea pasta. Chickpea pasta is a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat pasta. It's naturally gluten-free, higher in protein, and has a subtle nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with Mediterranean ingredients. Cook the pasta until it's al dente, following the package instructions. Once it's ready, drain the pasta, and while it's still steaming hot, toss in a generous mountain of fresh baby spinach. The heat from the pasta will gently wilt the spinach, locking in its vibrant green color and nutrients. Now, it's time to layer in those classic Mediterranean flavors. Crumble creamy feta cheese over the warm pasta and spinach, letting it melt just slightly for a rich, tangy bite. Add a handful of briny Kalamata olives for a salty punch, and don't forget a generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil not only adds a silky texture, but also brings heart-healthy fats and a fruity aroma that ties the whole dish together. For an extra layer of flavor and a pop of color, toss in some sun-dried tomatoes. Their sweet, tangy intensity balances the saltiness of the feta and olives. Finish everything off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the dish, adding a zesty freshness that makes every bite sing. If you like a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes is a great optional touch. What you end up with is a bowl that's not just visually stunning, but also incredibly nourishing. The chickpea pasta delivers a hefty dose of plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you full and energized for hours. The spinach adds iron and vitamins, while the olives and olive oil provide healthy fats that are essential for heart health. Every ingredient brings its own unique color and texture, making this dish a true feast for the senses. This Mediterranean power bowl is completely vegetarian, but it's so hearty and satisfying that even meat lovers will be coming back for seconds. It's the perfect meal for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor or comfort. Plus, it's quick to make, ready in under 30 minutes from start to finish, so it fits right into busy lifestyles. Imagine gathering around the table with friends or family, sharing this colorful, wholesome bowl. It's comfort food, Mediterranean style, simple, quick, and totally satisfying. The combination of flavors and textures will have everyone reaching for seconds, and you'll feel good knowing you're serving something that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Ready to keep the momentum going? Let's move on to our next delicious, healthy creation. For a lightning-fast meal, try Shirataki noodles with garlic shrimp. Rinse and dry fry Shirataki noodles for the best texture. Don't skip this step. Sauté shrimp in olive oil, season, and add garlic at the end for a fragrant finish. Squeeze in lemon juice, then toss noodles and shrimp together to soak up all the flavor. Finish with fresh parsley for a clean, peppery lift. Plate and enjoy a dish that's virtually carb-free, high in protein, and ready in 5 minutes. No heaviness, just pure, delicious energy. On to the next comfort classic. When you think of comfort food, what comes to mind? For many, it's a steaming bowl of pasta, rich with flavor and warmth, that instantly transports you to a cozy Italian kitchen. There's something magical about the way Italian cuisine brings people together, filling the air with the aroma of tomatoes, garlic, and fresh herbs. If you're craving that classic Italian comfort but want a healthier, protein-packed twist, you're in for a treat. Meet your new go-to, lentil pasta with tomato and basil sauce. This dish is a modern take on a timeless favorite, combining the heartiness of traditional pasta with the nutritional power of red lentils. Start by bringing a pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add your red lentil pasta. Not only is this pasta naturally gluten-free, but it's also loaded with plant-based protein and fiber, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to eat well without sacrificing flavor. While the pasta cooks, let's build our sauce. In a wide skillet, heat a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Add finely chopped garlic and let it sizzle until fragrant, releasing its irresistible aroma. Next, toss in a handful of sweet cherry tomatoes, halved for maximum juiciness. Sauté everything together, allowing the tomatoes to soften and burst, creating a rustic, chunky sauce that's both quick and deeply flavorful. This simple combination is the essence of Italian home cooking. Fresh, honest, and utterly delicious. Once your pasta is perfectly al dente, transfer it straight from the pot into the pan with your tomato and garlic sauce. Don't forget to reserve a ladleful of that starchy pasta water. It's the secret to a silky, cohesive sauce that clings to every noodle. Pour it in and toss everything together, letting the flavors meld and the sauce thicken just enough to coat the pasta beautifully. Now for the finishing touches. Off the heat, tear in plenty of fresh basil leaves, releasing their peppery, aromatic oils. Shower the pasta with a generous grating of real Parmesan cheese, which melts into the sauce, adding a creamy, savory depth. These final steps elevate the dish, making it feel both special and comforting, like a warm hug in a bowl. Give everything a good toss to ensure every bite is coated in that vibrant, herby sauce. Plate it up, and you'll see just how hearty and satisfying this meal is. Thanks to the lentil pasta, you're getting a boost of protein and fiber, which means you'll stay full and energized long after your meal. It's a dish that's as nourishing as it is delicious. The beauty of lentil pasta is that it offers all the comfort of traditional noodles, but with added nutritional benefits. It's perfect for anyone looking to support their wellness goals, whether you're fueling up after a workout or simply want a wholesome, satisfying dinner. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, making it a great option for a variety of dietary needs. The tomato and basil sauce is light yet packed with antioxidants, thanks to the fresh tomatoes and fragrant herbs. It's a celebration of simple, seasonal ingredients that come together to create something truly special. Each forkful bursts with the brightness of tomatoes, the richness of olive oil, and the freshness of basil. This is classic Italian comfort, thoughtfully reimagined for today's health-conscious eater. It's proof that you don't have to compromise on flavor or satisfaction to enjoy a balanced, nourishing meal. With every bite, you'll taste the love and tradition of Italian cooking, updated for your modern lifestyle. So, are you ready to dig into the ultimate balanced bowl? Gather your ingredients, bring your appetite, and treat yourself to a comforting Italian classic, made even better for you. Last up, whole wheat penne with lean turkey and veggies, a complete meal in one bowl. Brown lean ground turkey, then add a colorful mix of onions, bell peppers, and zucchini. Stir in crushed tomatoes, oregano, and seasonings. Simmer while the penne cooks. Combine pasta and sauce using reserved pasta water for perfect consistency. Plate a hearty serving, complex carbs, lean protein, and a rainbow of veggies. Top with Parmesan or red pepper flakes if you like. This meal is filling, energizing, and meal prep friendly. Healthy eating made simple and delicious. There you have it. 5 quick, healthy pasta dishes to fuel your body and satisfy your cravings. Healthy eating is about smart choices, bold flavors, and enjoying every bite. From zoodles to whole wheat penne, you're set for weeknight success. If you loved these ideas, hit subscribe and join the SlimSync community. Drop a comment with your favorite recipe, and let's keep making healthy eating easy and fun. Now get cooking and enjoy your delicious journey.